Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to take multiple sheets in Excel and save them as individual files. I've called my sheet channel by random channel numbers 18, 19, 20, 22, etc. So you have your workbook with all your sheets. Then the next thing is the code. This is the code and I'm going to paste it down below. What's critical is your my path and your file name, that you edit that and put your path name and file name in the folder that you're working with your workbook. So you see I've created the folder with the path up there, and that's the workbook that we have open. So I've copied this, I've copied the code. You go to and you do Alt F11 to bring up the Microsoft Visual Basic for applications. Alt F11. You paste your code. You make sure you put your path in there with no space between the quotations. And this is the workbook. And to run it, you hit F5, or you can press the play button up here. So I'm going to let you focus on the workbook while I hit the play button. It's flashing in the background. Here we go. And there's each sheet has now been saved as an individual Excel file. So you don't have to go into manually copy and paste the content of each sheet. I was able to do it through the script. So I hope this helped. If you have any problems, drop me an email. So thank you very much.